Nagawa mo dyan?
My push, babush.
Ha?
Babush.
Uy, shoes mo, uy! Ang ganda ng sopa na to. Three-seater Holzman.
Your shoes. No, miss. Let's do one. Let's do one not.
Mag-shoes ka, oy!
Let's not change that. Why is it there?
Ay! Hindi ka na, oy! Hindi ka na makamambahay yan. Ala, yun na yung guard. Ala.
Isa.
Tambay na naman si Andres IKEA.
1985.
What
have you been doing? You want me to fix it? I can fix it.
Bakit? Ano si Mami? Mapapila? Hindi pa tayo dyan? Labo ng mata mo, Anders. Ikaw pala pinakamalabo mata sa atin. Pamilya malabo mata. Wow! Wow! Mowa Sky! Wow!
Adidas. Upo tayo.
Wow. Tara, higa muna tayo, Andre.
Dito.
Andre, come on.
Ayun pa yung bangko.
Na.
Night, guys.
Sip muna, sip.
Sleep muna, sleep muna.
Sip muna, guys. Sleep din so.
There's just going over there.
Andre, bye-bye.
There's a part over there, and then he turns back.
And
Yun, wow.
wow, ante. Yeah, saan ka?
Dito.
Gawa mo dyan. Higa ka, oh. Sarap na higa, oh. Matulog, nakapagod maglaad. Okay lang, steps na tayo, Mami. Sky.
Ay, daddy, nag-a-adjust siya. Nag-iiba yung kulay niyo.
Saan?
Ito.
Oo nga. Wow, ganda na salamin mo, ha?
Ganda, no?
Nakapagod.
Bulog mo na guys.
Yung ano, yung cellphone mo, yung text.
Pag walang cellphone nakagano, pag walang salamin. Pero pag may salamin.
Di mo na makita.
Sabi kasi ni Doc, yung mata ko, maayos ba siya ng malapit? Yung malayo yung problema ko. Paul!
Hello, eyeglass boy. Bulag ba yun? Hindi niya nakita ikaw? Masakit sa paa to? Hindi. Sa paa? Ha?
Only a little bit.
Uy! Ano? Ang sabi kasi, ay!
Andre, hungry ka na, Andre?
Mag-grilled chicken tayo, gusto mo?
Yung spaghetti yun, nakain yun. Gutom na yan, tingin ko eh.
No.
Anong gusto mo kainin, Ender?
May chicken doon, tsaka rice. O gusto niyo mga ilang hours ba?
Pizza? Gusto mo pizza?
Pwede naman.
Ha? Pizza?
Boy!
Pizza, banana.
Why there's two floors?
May second floor. May third floor. O, hili ka na. Kain na tayo.
Okay, let's go.
World
Hungry na.
chicken. Okay, direction. What's raining out?
Raincoat to.
Under your raincoat.
Andre, raincoat to.
Enter!
Enter, no! Enter, don't touch it! Enter, get Andre! Go outside!
It's raining. Hindi ka na, Andre.
Enter, look, there's ice skating, oh!
May rapid try yan.
I'm just kidding, we're shopping.
Andre! Hindi ka na. Si Harry Ender. Harry Ender, look at this, oh. Andre. Harry Ender, what's that?
It looks like Harry Potter.
What's that?
Si Penguin na nag-great nakita kasi namin.
Sino si Penguina?
Di mo
Sino
lang si
yun?
Penguin na yung
Character?
diba?
Oh.
Na penguin?
Oh, asa na? Character? Dumaan?
Hindi talaga. Yung flashy ko na mataba.
Oh, si Penguina.
Cousin ko. Yeah. Because when you're younger,
No, it's because it's actually keyboard giant.
Where's Andre?
Like this different.
Wala, asa si Andre? Wala. Ayun si Andre. I thought you lost Andre. Oh, may pyro musical pala ngayon, oh. May pyro musical, oh.
Oh, what? Ano ngayon?
Gusto nyo, no? Tayo fireworks 15. Ay, 14? 15 ngayon, eh. Ah, wala. Pag Sunday, wala.
Saturday.
Wala ba dito yung parang TV na pwede mong hanapin yung restaurant?
Wala.
Wala.
K-pop day. It's K-pop show Sunday.
Andre, si ano, oh. Ito, sino yung plushie niya?
Si Dorothy.
Si Derpy, oh. Ito si Derpy, oh. Andre, si Derpy, Andre, oh. Andre, si Dirty. Si Dirty, Andre, si Dirty. Ah, may damit, mami. Merch. Merch pala yan.
Nakukatay tayo na ito madali. Napaalala niya sa akin yung...
Sunday dapat, di ba?
Mommy.
Ang ngalan ng restaurant,
No,
Fridays.
later, mommy.
Ah, hindi ka nakakain na tayo.
No, later, mommy.
Later daw. Yan na, hungry na. Fridays. Why is it Fridays, even Sundays?
5 days? 6 days?
6 days.
5 days.
Ano yung ice Americano? Ice.
Ano, ayaw ka na.
Ice Americano. Oo. And then yun muna. Later na lang yung dessert.
Tostada and your tenderloin, sir. Then pepperoni.
Hungry na.
Truffle pasta. Then signature chicken.
Yeah. Thank you.
20 to 40 minutes for your
Okay.
meal po. Later ko na lang.
Thank you.
Ano yan, yung straw, nilagay mo sa ice?
Yes. Search my...
Oo nga.
So malamig.
Andre.
He's trying to eat the water.
Right, tinitikman mo yung water? Hungry ka na?
Uncle, what are you doing?
Are you sure?
Mommy, there beach there.
Yeah, yun yung bawa. Yun yung may bawaan.
Why are you wearing the glasses? Makatuloy Harry Potter. Harry Potter, Harry Potter.
What's this ito, Daddy? Ay,
Tenderloin.
ng octopus.
Sarap nyo na. Pasto. Pizza na lang. What's up?
Daddy, yung anak mo gusto mabansa.
Hoy, wag!
Ay!
Intrusive thoughts ka talaga, ah. Ender, what if it's real? The earth will bounce like that. What should you feel inside the earth? Do you think we're gonna bounce like
Hindi, magiging earthquake.
earthquake?
Dad.
Oh.
Tsunami.
Oo nga, no?
May huhulog sa sky.
Oo nga, no? Pag nag-bounce yung earth, may tsunami.
Yung ganito.
Oh, ganyan. What if earth will be like that? What will happen?
It's a mini earth. It's a mini earth. No, it doesn't have the green stuff. It's because it's the sky. Wala. It's actually in the sky.
What will happen, no?
I'm sure